Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make mini croissants at home, full guide. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees C. Thaw puff pastry, cut triangles, roll tightly from wide end, brush with egg wash, chill briefly and bake until golden brown. Layer butter evenly between dough, fold and roll 3 times to create layers. Rest dough 20 minutes between folds, score edges before baking, cool on rack for 10 minutes, and serve warm with jam. Start with simple pantry staples like puff pastry, unsalted butter, sugar, and an egg for wash, and keep the tone warm while guiding hands-on steps. Keep butter cold but pliable, work quickly to preserve layers, and use a light dusting of flour to prevent sticking. When cutting triangles, aim for a 3.5 inches base, roll tightly to trap air pockets, chill shaped croissants 15 minutes before baking. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing long 1-hour baking sessions and keeping feet happy during recipe testing. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a pair and share this video with friends who bake. Thanks for supporting small creators. Now let's get back to the video. Bake croissants in the center of the oven to ensure even heat, and rotate the tray halfway through baking for uniform color and texture. Look for a deep golden brown, puffy layers, and a hollow sound when tapped to confirm doneness, while keeping the narration friendly. For a softer crust, brush with melted butter after baking. Store cooled croissants in an airtight container for 2 days, and reheat in a 180 degrees C oven for 5 to 7 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.